One of the reasons I don't give a book in this class is because, like my other classes, I'm going pure, or trying to at least, to a certain degree, open source. Because a lot of the books don't keep up with what's going on, and what a surprise, international law is going forward with Gotham. Now, Gotham is this artificial intelligence software program, essentially like a platform, but you're not using it, they are, and to kill a lot of people with artificial intelligence developing at a rapid rate. Now, remember, the Ukraine astutely used artificial intelligence to identify Russian equipment, weapons, by imaging, that is, creating images of old Soviet equipment in a museum to identify with drones, send the drones to Russia, get them in there, and then they attack the drones. Then they attack the weapons, sorry. Artificial intelligence is massive now. It has, a GIS, it has mapping, it uses just a broad range of different things. And Gotham claims this is your software. It's the weapon systems. Where is my favorite line here? It is AI, artificial intelligence, driven combat superiority. You basically have what they like to say, the kill chain. Can you imagine that? So what are we dealing with here? We're dealing with a massive power with artificial intelligence. When you start looking at these things, look at this, powering the kill chain. They're very proud of this. So Gotham's targeting, offering support of soldiers with an artificial intelligence powered kill chain, right? Integrating target identification, target effect pairing. I mean, absolutely amazing at what they're at least saying, right? So this is data centric. This is exactly what I'm doing in another class where you're focusing on data, national security, artificial intelligence. So they're integrating data, visual models, etc., in order to make countries, or at least the United States in this case, more powerful. They're using these different algorithms to identify, say, for example, leaders they want to take out, people. It's been used in Israel against the Palestinians. It's been used in a broad range, make better decisions. Now, the extent to which, I'm not going to get into a big thing about this, but the extent to which artificial intelligence is changing modern warfare is incredible. Now, with the increase of, obviously, this type of artificial intelligence, you have the increase of hubris, a person's hubris, human hubris, that is the arrogance, the confidence, etc., that goes along with it. So it looks like they're going to definitely start using this more and more and more. I mean, and it's a broad range of different things. Technology, defer and defend, really getting into it. They're very proud of being, Palantir and Gotham, there's something evil. They're trying to make kind of this evil, killing people. Cool. So data, protection, defense, energy, you've got it now. Gotham, that is through Palantir, that's the mother company, is using this stuff in ICE, is using it. It's just now being used by police forces, etc. So what does this have to do with international law? Well, should we be regulating this? This is kind of a new weaponry that has the ability to kill civilians, children, women, target certain types of people, right? If you want to commit genocide, etc. So one of the goals here, as the last module, is to debate to what extent do we need new international laws to regulate it? And can we create international laws? Will people listen to the international laws? But even more importantly, just like the digital divide, is there an artificial intelligence in defense and war divide that will make China and the United States So much more powerful. So this is Palantir Gotham defense industry, huge. They're making a lot of money through US contracts. Here it is. You be the judge. Should international law get involved? Yes or no? Take care, everyone.